The Toshiba eBridge e-ScanFlow scan-to-email application allows you to send your documents to an email destination to both internal and external recipients. This application is centrally managed and hosted on your on-premise server. To use this application, you will need e-ScanFlow and the email application installed on your Toshiba eBridge device. User authentication and single sign-on are supported with this application, and the user will only see applications to which they have been given access. Select the e-ScanFlow application by selecting the icon on the home screen or the dedicated shortcut key 1 or 2 depending on the configuration. Once you have selected the application, you will be presented with all the options your administrator has configured for you. At the bottom left of the screen, you will see a settings icon, and from here you will be able to change the color mode, where the original is to be scanned, and if it's double-sided, the resolution, page size, multiple or single page file, contrast and sharpness settings. The defaults can be set by your administrator. Other settings such as blank page removal can also be set in the background by your administrator. The envelope icon, also at the bottom left of the screen, will, as set by your administrator, allow the user to add a subject and message to the body of the email, change as required, and touch save. Touching the back icon will take you back to the main screen. At the top of the screen, depending on the options set by your administrator, you will see a choice of file types you can choose. Below are the key features that have been allowed by your administrator. Here we can see Scan to Me. This will be selected by default, indicated by the grey shading around the edge. This function will send the email to the user that has logged on to the device. Manual email option allows the user to enter an email address manually. Selecting the address book allows the user to select from a centrally managed address book and search for people within the organization's Active Directory as set by your administrator. Select as required and touch Submit to add the desired recipient to the list. The contact selected number will change according to the number of recipients that have been selected. Once all the settings are complete, press the Start button or the Start icon at the top left of the screen to complete the task. A banner message will appear from the bottom right of the screen indicating the progress. At the top of the screen, next to the username, are messages that have been recorded for the user logged in. These are color-coded according to the message. Individual messages for the logged on user can be hidden by touching the colored icon to the right of the message. All messages can be hidden by touching the Hide All on the left of the screen. On the left hand side of the screen, Back will take you back to the previous screen. Main menu will take you back to the main menu of e-ScanFlow, and Reset will set all the settings back to default. When the user task is complete, press either the Home button to return to the device's home screen or the Access key to log out of the device.